We've just touched down in Bangkok and the reality has hit us. From the second we stepped off the plane, we're exhausted. The humidity is real and the taxi line, well, it's a mile long. The last thing anyone wants to do is to spend the first 2 hours stuck in traffic gridlock. Today, we're showing you the ultimate stress-free shortcut to the city, the Airport Rail Link. The line spans 8 stops from the airport to Phaya Thai. It connects you to the yellow line at Sukhumvit, the MRT blue line at Makkasan, and the BTS green line at Phaya Thai. After grabbing your bags, we've headed towards exit B. Just look for the sign pointing to the Airport Rail Link, all the way down in the basement. It's a quick 5-minute walk from the baggage claim. Follow the sign, hop on the escalators and head down 2 levels.
Negotiating here, taxi by meter.
Once you've reached level B, you've got options. There are plenty of shops to grab a quick bite or a drink before you head into the city. If you're feeling lost, there's an information desk right there. Next up, tickets. We headed to the counter to buy the iconic black tokens. The price varies depending on your stop. Pro tip, be careful with those tokens, they're small. Make sure you keep them in a safe spot because you'll need to drop them into the slot at the destination to exit the station. The platform, waiting for the train. We headed down 1 more level to platform 2. Train pulls in, don't jump on immediately. Wait for the security check to be confirmed. Just follow the sign and the guard's instruction. Even though the train can be packed, we managed to snag a seat. And just like that, we're off. The journey, the station breakdown. Here's a quick look at the stops along the way. A2, Lat Krambang. Perfect if you want to stay near the airport without paying airport hotel prices. A3, Bangkok, a quiet residential area where you'll start to see the famous Bangkok traffic building up outside. A4, Pui Mark, your transfer point for the MRT yellow line. A5, Ramahako Han, a major residential hub.
Next station, Makkasan Station.
A6. Makkasan. This is our stop. It connects directly to Phetchaburi Station on the MRT Blue Line. The exit. To exit, just drop your token into the slot at the turnstile. Initially, we had planned for the Blue Line and then take the ferry to our hotel, but after a long flight, we decided to keep it simple. We called a Grab taxi from Makkasan instead. It was affordable, easy and much faster than taking a car all the way from the airport. Ride to Makkasan took exactly 22 minutes. You get ice cold air conditioning, plenty of room for your luggage and a stunning view of Bangkok skyline as you approach the city. It beats sitting in a gridlock taxi for more than an hour a day. It's fast, cheap, reliable and zero traffic. This is how you start your Bangkok journey properly. If this guide has helped, hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the city. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel.